All right, so the very first feature you're going to see once you log inside of Social Prospector Pro is the Inactive Friend Scanner. And the way that it works is it scans the last 10 posts, 20 posts, 30 posts, all the way up to the last 100 Facebook posts that you've made on your profile. And it gathers up all the people who engaged on your profiles, whether that's hitting the like button, heart button, frowny face, smiley face, comments, everything. Okay, so it finds all of those engagers and it compares them to people who haven't engaged, and it leaves you with a list of non-engagers. So for example, if you click for it to scan your last 100 Facebook posts and it brings back a list of say 2,000 Facebook friends who haven't engaged over your last 100, then in my opinion, those people should not be on your friends list, because that is a lot of posts to not leave one single like, comment, or anything on. So obviously they're not active enough or interested enough in what you have to offer as a service or product, so you can remove them immediately. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna do a scan of the last 10 posts just so you can see how it works. So we're gonna give it a second. And as you can see, it says Inactive Friend Scanner complete, and it gave me a list of 3,200 friends who have not engaged whatsoever over my last 10 posts on my Facebook profile. So my next move is to simply look and sort through these profiles and see which ones I want to remove, or I can select all and click remove selected.